When the job demands working in ice and snow, it can present a serious threat, and it only takes a second for injuries to occur. For safety, performance, and peace of mind all winter long, outfit you or your team with the Due North Quick Grip Midsole Ice Traction Aid. It's quick, convenient, and simple to use. Just place the rubber platform between the sole of your foot and heel and adjust the strap. That's it. The tungsten carbide spikes deliver superior traction, while the lightweight design makes you forget you even have them on. Simply turn the spikes to the upward position when walking indoors, or when traction isn't needed. The Quick Grip Midsole Ice Traction Aids work hard, like the people who wear them. It's the grip that won't let you slip and keeps you safe while doing what you do best.